So, what is the free look period? Talking about life insurance again. So, the free look period is typically about 10 days, right? New York State, I'm located in New York. The free look period, as per New York State law, is a minimum of 10 days and a maximum of 30 days. So, what does that do? If you have the policy for that duration, 10 days up to 30 days within New York State, if you decide you don't want it anymore, you can cancel, you get your premiums back. But why is this even important? Now, if it doesn't meet your needs and you decide that you want to shop around, you can. Insurance companies, when you make the application for the insurance and you make your first premium, you typically have temporary insurance. So during that time frame where they're going through the underwriting process to decide whether or not you're insurable, you usually will have coverage, right? So if something happens to you during that time frame, they still will pay out once you had paid that first premium. The only way they would not pay out is if you ultimately were uninsurable. So if you pass away within that time frame, they'll still go through the underwriting process to determine whether or not they would have insured you in the first place. And if they would, right, $1 million policy, you made a premium for $50, they go through the underwriting process, they decide that you would have been insurable, they would pay out $1 million. Now, if it is that during that time frame you decided that you wanted to shop around, you still can, right? You have that temporary coverage. You're still shopping around trying to see if there's something else out there that will meet your needs. You could do that. And if you found something else and you decided to cancel, you get your money back. So that's how the free look period works.